Dear student, the next concept is third one, character symmetry. Symmetry means SY. SY means together. Metron. Metron means measure. That meaning of symmetry. Together measure. That word meaning of symmetry. The symmetry, three types: asymmetrical, radial symmetrical, bilateral symmetrical. The first one, asymmetrical. Second one, radial symmetry. And third one, bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. The first one, asymmetrical, means any plane. Plane means imaginary line. Imaginary line is nothing but plane. That passes through the center does not divide it into two equal halves. Does not them into two equal halves, called asymmetry. The another name for that asymmetry means irregular shape of the body. Irregular shape of body. Example for the asymmetry: most of sponges. The sponges belongs to the phylum is phylum Porifera. The phylum Porifera, the most of the sponges, the best example for that, asymmetrical. Then second one, radial symmetry, means any plane. Plane means imaginary line. Can divide it into two equal halves, called radial symmetry. Generally, radial symmetry is cylindrical body. These animals maintain cylindrical body. Example for that radial symmetry, that example, first one, phylum Nidaria. Second one, phylum Ctenophora. Third one, phylum Echinodermata. But very important, that one is adult echinodermates. The adult echinodermates only, that one is called as radial symmetrical animals. The next one, third type of symmetrical animals. The third one is bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means the body can divide into left and right. Only one plane divided into right and left halves. Called bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. For the bilateral symmetry related examples, bilateral symmetry example, the phylum Platyhelminthes 2, phylum Chordata, So here see these two diagrams very clearly displayed. That one is the radial symmetry, that is that example Hydra. Second one, bilateral symmetry. This is the crab. This belongs to arthropodons. There is a single plane, that central, the single plane or only one plane. When observed, this is the only one plane. One plane is divided into two equal halves. Okay. In the next class, we will continue that embryonic germ layers. Okay. Thank you.